Hey everyone, I want to make a quick video, no intro on this. I want to make a quick video on bed sag when you got a ton of weight in. And when I say a ton, I actually mean 1 ton. This is a pallet of pellets. So a skid of pellets, it's 50 bags, 40 pounds a bag. And it's actually not centered. And the guy put it on, he didn't center it. So the sides are going to be different. We're going to measure them. He also hit the tailgate with a high-low. That's going to be a different video. We're going to have to fix that. It's not terrible, it's not, but it should be fixed. Car's got 5,000 miles on it. It's a big mash in the tailgate. I have the video of it too, but we'll get to that in the next video. Right now, we're just seeing how much does the bed sag with 1 ton of weight on it. We're going to take the weight off, might take me a little bit. You won't watch that in real time. And then we're going to see what it goes back to, because I didn't measure this before we actually loaded it. So we're going to measure it now, and then we're going to measure it when it's unloaded. So let's get this on here. Now I'm measuring to my my fender flare, but that doesn't matter. If you don't have fender flares, obviously that doesn't mean anything. So we got 39 3/4 on this side, 41 1/8. I had to do 1/8. Okay, so 41 1/8, and we got 39 3/4 on the other side. So we're obviously going to split it in the middle. That'll give us, I would assume, that'll give us the actual if this thing was centered. So 41 1/8, 39 inch and 3/8, 22/16, 11/16. So 11/16 plus 39 3/4 is 40 7/16. Is that correct? Yes, I'm a genius. Okay, 40 7/16. All right, 40 7/16. That's the height right now. I guess for the hell of it, maybe I should check the back or the front. You're off camera now. I apologize, but I'm just going to quickly. Hello, 43 1/8. Okay, 43 1/8, and we got 40 7/16. Okay, that's about 2.5 inches off, right? Something like that. Okay, let's unload this thing. All right, so emptied. It really only takes you about 15 minutes to empty one of these things. You got to empty it twice, technically. You got to empty it from here to the tailgate to the new skid. 15 minutes, it's not a big deal. It takes like an hour in the hot tub afterwards. So if you're over 40, it takes an hour in the hot tub. So an hour and 15 minutes total. And you know, there's going to be somebody, you should build a slide. There's always that guy. Yeah, no, I mean, just work a little harder. That's it. You know, this work smarter, not harder stuff. In some cases, that does really matter, but most cases, it's just work a little bit harder and you'll get it done. And that's what I did there. Let's measure this. Let's see what it says. I'm wondering, though, if it needs to settle. Does it need to settle after taking this much weight? It's possible it needs to settle. So any kind of weird discrepancies, I mean, if there is any, I don't know. Let's measure this one. Got to be right in the middle here. 43 1/2. 43 1/2. Let me go to the other side. You're going to be off camera, but you can still hear me, obviously. Let's see what this one says. 43. This one says 43. Okay, so there's a 1/2 inch difference still in the back. Nothing in the bed. I'm not sure why. Let me do something here. This might be stupid. Nope, 43 still. And 43 1/2. So we're a 1/2 inch off back here. Let me see what the front is. 43. 43. That is very weird. So everything is 43 within like an eighth or so, except this one, 43 and a half. Why is that? That is very strange to me. You know what? Let's do from the top of the tire, 10 and a half. 10. Yeah, it's a ½ inch off. I'm just double checking the front here quick. 10. Sorry. 10. Well, I don't know what's happening right now, but this side is a ½ inch higher. ½ inch really isn't that much. We're not talking about 2 inches, but let's just split the difference. 43 and a half, 43, so we'll call it 43 and a quarter. So we're talking about 2 and about 3/4. Let's just call it 2 and 3/4. The truck's going to drop 2 3/4 of an inch with 1 ton of weight. That actually could really make me change my plans, my future plans. I have to think about this a little bit because I plan on putting a lot of weight back here, and I don't really want it to look like it's sagging. Yeah, I might have to do something. I'm gonna think on this, and I'll get back to you. But that's how much your truck's gonna sag. Even this is stock. This is stock back here. This is not any kind of aftermarket stuff. It's gonna sag 2 3/4 of an inch with 1 ton of weight. And all right, let's wrap this up because I got a tailgate to work on. All right, see you on the next one. Thanks.